When marketers need fast, polished visuals for social platforms, two tools usually stand out: Canva and Adobe Express. Both promise quick design, simple templates, and easy collaboration, but they feel noticeably different once you start creating content. Choosing the right one depends on whether you want pure speed, more creative flexibility, or deeper brand control. Let's start with Canva. Over the past few years, Canva has become the default choice for teams that need to design fast. Its interface is simple, colorful, and intuitive. You can jump in, grab a template, swap out text and images, and export in a matter of minutes. This is exactly why marketers love it. Canva reduces the friction between idea and execution. One of its biggest strengths is the enormous template library. No matter what you need, stories, reels, ads, banners, or presentations, Canva probably has a template ready. That alone makes it perfect for teams creating multiple pieces of content every day. Canva also includes a huge library of stock photos, graphics, and icons. This lets marketers build content without constantly searching external resources. Another advantage is collaboration. Teams can comment directly on designs, share links instantly, and build brand kits with fonts, colors, and logos. Now let's look at Adobe Express. This tool comes from the same company behind Photoshop and Illustrator, so it carries a more creative design DNA. Adobe Express is built for quick content, but it gives you slightly more control over visual details. The interface is clean and modern, and the editing tools feel more precise. One of Adobe Express's most valuable features is access to Adobe's asset library. You get high-quality fonts and images that already feel like professional design elements. For teams that care about strong brand identity, these resources make a difference. Adobe Express also connects with other Adobe products. If you rely on Photoshop, Lightroom, or Illustrator for more advanced work, Express becomes a natural extension of your creative workflow. Adobe Express includes strong brand management tools as well. You can store brand kits, apply consistent colors, and automate layouts for repeated campaigns. So which one is the better quick design tool for marketers? If your priority is speed, ease, and large template variety, Canva is the most efficient choice. If you prefer a more polished design environment with higher quality assets and smoother integration into a creative ecosystem, Adobe Express is the smarter option. Both tools let marketers produce beautiful social content fast. The better choice depends on how much control your brand needs and how quickly your team needs to move.